welcome back to Arby Here, There, and Everywhere. Today it's me and my sister's first time paddle boarding. We're gonna teach you how to paddle board too with my dad.
All right, Dad, what do we need to do?
Well, you get on it and you keep your weight right in the center of the board, and you either can stand up and paddle, which I'm probably going to fall in the water as soon as I try to do it. You do like this, but you have to stay super stable when you do it, or you can sit down and paddle like a kayak, which Dad prefers the seated method. So,
Nice.
that's what you do, and you paddle like this to go backwards, the same to go forwards, and if you want to turn to the right, you paddle more on the left and it turns your nose to the right. How about that? You want to turn and also paddle backwards the other way. So forward on the left and backwards on the right will turn you to the right. Or forwards on the right and backwards on the left will turn you left. And that's the lesson.
Awesome. Any tips, Finley?
Well, if you would like to learn how to kayak, stay here and watch the video with us.
Okay, let's see you do it.
Do it.
Paddle.
I haven't learned
Go
so
forward.
far.
On the right, on the left, and then on the right. On the left, and on the right. Left, and on the right. Left, and on the right.
All right.
We're just gonna drop my dad off and then I can go out. So I went and paddleboarded on my own, and my dad went a little bit again.
So he's showing us how to use it as a stand-up paddleboard instead of a kayak, right? You used it as a kayak.
It's a little easier as a kayak because instead of standing up, the kayak is it's really wobbly. So it's better to sit down.
Yeah, it's a little bit.
Finley, how do you turn to the right? Two ways.
So there's two ways to turn to the right. You can either go backwards on the right or forward on the left.
Very good.
And there's two ways to go to the left. Either forward on the right or backward on the left. Forward on the right, backward on the left. Okay, so now we're leaving again. All three of us, me, my dad, and
I'm gonna need you to sit in the middle. You gotta sit in the middle. Sit in the middle.
so now we're on another trip. We're gonna see you when we're back. Paddleboarding is fun. You guys should really try it. Don't forget to click the link below and click that like button to see all of our videos and subscribe.